Hi, I'm Shannon Fernandes, and this Tiatr is based on my life story. It's been hard having a disease like this and also trying to be normal, but it's also kind of fun. You get to learn new things about yourself, and it's and for the treatment, I got to go to different places also, thanks to this. And I've had two operations which went very well. And this entire Tiyat is based on how I've lived a happy life and the troubles my family took to get me into this life also. And I would love if you all come and try and watch this Tiyat, and you will love it a lot.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.